I usually get along with everyone in my office. Recently, however, the woman who sits across from me bought a new cell phone. She was crazy about it. More often than not, she was chatting with her friends. It was very difficult to concentrate on work. One afternoon, we all decided to call it a day and go out for dinner. However, we made the woman promise not to bring her cell phone into the restaurant. "Do you think you'll survive without it?" I joked to her. "No problem," she said. The evening was fun, but it was getting late, so we wrapped up dinner and I left the restaurant. I was the last to leave, and just as I was getting into my car, a waiter comes running up to me. "I found this purse at your table," he said. I took a look at it. "That's my coworker's purse," I said. "Why don't you call and leave a message on her answering machine?" the waiter suggested. "You can use the phone in the restaurant." We went inside. I was about to dial her home number when I had an idea. Never mind leaving a message on her machine. I'll call her cellular phone. That way she can drive back before she gets all the way home. "You have a good point," the waiter said. When I called her cellular phone, a ringing noise came from her purse. It turned out that her phone was in her purse the whole time.